On a Monday, the US currency skyrocketed. The US dollar index, which measures the greenback against the basket of 6 major currencies, hit a 2-year high. The surge reflects the market participants' attitude to the Fed's intention to use a more aggressive approach to the monetary policy tightening. And this week, traders' sentiment will be shaped by the US labor market reports and the bulk of information from other countries. Let us take a closer look at these events in our video review on InstaForex TV channel. On Tuesday, the flow of macroeconomic information will start from Australia's retail sales report. In February, the indicator may show a slower rise of 0.8%. Notably, in the given period, global economies suffered the first shock from a surge in energy prices. This fact boosted the already high inflation. Consumer demand and activity is likely to slump amid surging prices. That's why the Australian dollar is likely to decline. During the European session, Germany will disclose its consumer climate data. It's a leading indicator that reflects consumers' willingness to spend money and their opinion about income. According to the forecast, the indicator will slide to its annual low amid the Russia-Ukraine conflict. However, the final figures could be even worse than expected. This is a really negative factor for the euro. The US will also publish its consumer confidence report on Tuesday. Although Eastern Europe is far from the United States, consumers will also face problems caused by the military conflict in Ukraine. The fact is that high energy prices are boosting the price of other goods. On Wednesday, traders will continue learning about the European economic condition using the Eurozone economic sentiment data. In February, the indicator climbed amid the improving epidemiological situation. However, this time the indicator may show worse results due to existing geopolitical instability and consequences of the sanctions imposed against Russia, a European main commodity supplier. Surging commodity prices are intensifying inflationary pressure. The consumer price growth rate has already hit its all-time high. However, it's obvious that it will go on accelerating to new records. Thus, on Wednesday, Germany is going to disclose its preliminary inflation report for March. The indicator is expected to jump to 6.1% on a yearly basis, and this may force the ECB to admit the necessity to raise the benchmark rate. And during the US trade, traders will be focused on the ADP NONFARM employment change report that precedes the US Labor Department report, which is slated for release on Friday. According to analysts, the upward trend is likely to remain intact. Thus, in March, the number of employed people may advance by 438,000. Such positive news will allow the Federal Reserve to raise the key interest rate faster than planned, thus boosting the greenback against other currencies. And you have watched the Forex Trader calendar on InstaForex TV channel. We wish you profitable trading and see you soon.